So let's look at the order to cash process again. Remember, we had this from a previous example. We have a purchase order received. We follow various activities. We have an XOR gateway. Items are in stock. We confirm the order. Then we have an AND gateway. So we have a parallel split. Send the invoice, ship the goods, join the gateway, archive the order. If the items aren't in stock, we reject the order and finish. Okay. Now, it tells us about the business process and about the activities we do. One thing it doesn't tell us is about the objects used in some of these activities. Now, we can represent a business object in BPMN. So, for instance, a purchase order, we use this little document symbol, like a little square with a folded down corner. So a purchase order, we can be an incoming object used, and we can produce an invoice. We can use a database symbol to retrieve client information, and again, from that, we retrieve client information and we can produce client information. So if we look at another solution to this now, something that just documents, it gives it a little bit more in the way of information to be documented. The purchase order is utilized by check stock availability, as is the warehouse database. When we check stock availability, the purchase order, a check purchase order, is produced. The check purchase order is used as input to the reject order because if it's not available, we reject the order based on the items aren't in stock, so it's rejected. If the items are in stock, the confirm order activity then produces a purchase order which is approved, and the purchase order which is approved is used as input to the send invoice activity, and the send invoice activity produces an invoice, and the ship goods produces a shipment notice which goes along with the goods. So what we have now is a business process which are used to complicate business process a little bit, but in some cases, this sort of information is helpful to give us more understanding of what's utilised inside the business process.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.